My name is Pablo. I'm 27 years. I'm Brazilian. I'm a cook. I have been cooking my entire life. I love food. I believe food is the thing everyone have in themselves. And cook is really instinctive for most of people, majority of them, because it's about what you like. More sweet, more savory, cold, hot. And cook for me is about real food. You can joke around, but the real food you get is what filling your body and give the energy, the performance you really wanted to have. When I first got in kitchen, actually was my first day of birth. My mom and my father had a catering back in Brazil, which legally turned on, like appear, exist in my year of birth. And it was when I got introduced to food. Besides my entire life, I have been around my family, which have a bunch of good cooks. And my grandma, I always gonna remember waking up with the smell, with my grandma, my mom, my dad in the kitchen. And cooking have been fun for me. Most of all, like kitchen is the part of the house I like to receive people. I like to have gathering people around, to play, to dance, to cook, to enjoy. That was cooking for me. That was when I get in. Cook for me always was fun. I think the first thing is like have fun in the kitchen. Don't get in the kitchen as a work, as a spending time, as something you're not pleasure doing. Like, because there is a lot of pleasure. There is pleasure when you go out and you choose whatever you want to cook because you desire for that. And there is pleasure when you decide what you're doing as you're doing. Like, because many times you're gonna start cooking and I wanna that rice, but when you're in the middle of the rice, you just realize you want a more moisty, you want a more salty, you want a more color, you want other ingredients you just found in your fridge. And that's cook for me. If you have fun from this experience is all I wanna in the first place. But after that, I think fun comes with knowledge. And if you spend time dedicating your time to do that, like, it's about what you take you from there, you know, like what you can use after the experience. What you can use from the butter, you understand what is the fat you are using. From the grain, you understand what is the kind of rice you are using, why. And then you later on can use that in so many different recipes. How you cut it, how you clean, how you decide what you're gonna use it. And so that's the first and 2 points maybe more important for me. Everything about the class is about what you want to learn. It's about what you want to take from this class. If you want to learn how to do a risotto, it's my knowledge combined with your knowledge for make this dish happening. But it's not just this dish you're going to be learning or making. You're going to be learning so much more. There is a variety of dishes you can make from the stock. You're going to learn how to make it, how to cut the vegetables for make this stock or to increase the flavor in the dish. So it's about the class you want to make it, how the dish you're gonna go, but it's about what you want to bring after that and how much dishes you can make with this knowledge. Are you ready to cook? Please come in. Let me show you how to do the best dish for you, whatever you like to cook, your risotto, pasta, lasagna, whatever you like. If you're vegan, vegetarian, if you like to eat meats, I love to. But I love to cook real food. Teaching you how to cook real food is what I'm here for. Help you to understand a little bit more of your food habits and how I can increase your performance daily. Because eating outside is nice, it's really good. But cooking home and eating the food you make it, there is nothing else. Please book a post, come in.